Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Sunday reset. In today's video, I'll be deep cleaning my bathroom. Now this is the bathroom that the girls and I use, and trust me, it's getting out of hand because I've been so lazy. I don't know what has gone over me. So guys, this is like a little motivation for you to get up, find something to do around the house, or even start cleaning the bathroom with me. Now look in the bathtub, there are toys in it. I need to get rid of them because I wasn't cleaning them, so there's a lot of grease building up on them, and I was so lazy. I didn't even bother to like bring up my laundry basket, so all the dirty laundry is on the floor. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start by just picking up the dirty laundry from the floor, taking down the towels, the rags, and also the shower curtains. Now that I'm done doing all of that, the first place I'm going to start with is the shower. So I'm just going to go ahead, spray it down, and then I'm going to go in with some pink stuff. I'm going to just put that inside the tub, and then I'm going to just start scrubbing. onto the countertops. Now as you can see, my countertop, it's really cluttered because not every time whenever I take out my shampoos, conditioners, toothpaste, like my toiletries overall, I don't always put them back. So because I don't put them back, it's causing clutter on top of the countertops. So all I'm just going to do is go ahead and declutter it and start cleaning. For my mirrors, I just go in with some Windex, and after spraying it down with the Windex, I just go in with a piece of paper towel and just wipe it down really good. Now onto the toilet. I'm just gonna go ahead, remove those decorations that I have on top of the tank, and then I'm gonna go and spray down my toilet really well and start scrubbing. Now onto the final part, which is sweeping and mopping the floors. So all I'm just gonna do is go ahead and sweep out whatever is on the floor and then move on to mopping. Now for mopping, I like to go in with some warm water with some pine salt and maybe a tip of dish soap, and that's it. Here you go, guys. This is it. This is the end of the video. Please come back for part 2 where I'll be decorating the bathroom. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.